Hi everyone, welcome to another Drive with Care. I'm going to take us, start the engine, from Dymchurch to New Romney along the A259. Two things different in this video. I'm going to overlay some music because sometimes music can be a distraction. I'm not going to make it too loud, just enough that, does it warrant a consideration for hazard perception? We all put the radio on in the car, don't we? Whether it's our CDs or our Bluetooth or our radio. I just wanted to change the format a little bit in this video, see what's happened. Also, to celebrate 100 subscribers, yay! I've hit 100 subscribers, so thank you so much, all of you who have subscribed to the channel. So if you want to join the Drive with Care tribe, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. You will know when I then release another video. So yeah, 100 subscribers, good news. So let's go. I'm in a lay-by, so there's nothing here, but I've got to get out of this junction and we'll go along the 259. We'll look out for hazards. It's a bit dreary and drucket, as they say in Scotland. Oh, nothing coming. I was expecting loads of traffic there. I've got the wipers on intermittent, if it does bother me. Yellow and red squares for hazards and awareness. What can we see? It's a Saturday morning. The weather's awful, so I'm going to anticipate some cars with no headlights on. What kind of music do you listen to when you're in the car? Or do you listen to the radio, or do you not listen to anything? I'm keeping it really low, but I just wanted to do an experiment and see how it works. Entering a 30 zone into Dymchurch. So we're starting here really, Dymchurch down to New Romney, through St Mary's Bay. Who's going to drop a clanger and not put their indicators on and get the wrath of Tudor with his raspberries? Nothing happening so far. I'm going to do a bunch of videos today, out and about with the car. Well, we're getting some wash of the sea spray coming up. And I've got cables all over the place. Okay, coming into New Romney, it's as a Dymchurch itself. A pedestrian crossing. I see some people walking towards it, but it's very quiet. Little roundabout ahead. I want to go left, so I will indicate. Beamer isn't indicating. Made. We're not exempt just because it's a mini roundabout. It's still a junction. Okay, now entering a 40 zone, and I think it's 40 all the way along. Oh no, there is a national speed limit section, but it's 40 for the most part to New Romney. Whoa, it's windy. Can you hear the wind over the car noise and over the music? Little Corsa with no lights. And a Volvo with no lights, and that's odd because Volvos normally have their lights on all the time. It looks foggy ahead, but it's actually the mist coming in off the sea, because it is so blowy. I don't think I'll be able to show it to you because the road is too far off the kind of coastal section. Coming into St Mary's Bay, still a 40 zone. Traffic lights for a little junction there. Having a quick look to the camera every now and again, make sure it's still recording. I'll get to the end of my journey and find that it didn't record. But if you're watching this video, it did record. Cars turning in, indicating, slipping into his lane. So what do you think? 1 in 3 cars with no lights on. .40 zone, the sign also says speed cameras ahead. Now I know there's no physical speed cameras on this route, so what that tells me is occasionally you'll get one of those speed camera vans and it just randomly park up anywhere on this stretch, usually somewhere hidden. So you're not exempt, you still got to drive 40. Approaching a national speed limit and a no stopping at any time sign. So let's get up to 60. Humpback Bridge sign. The bridge goes over the little Romney, Hythe and Dymchurch railway, you know, the small gauge railway. Oops, that wasn't very humpy, was it? What are we doing for time? 8 minutes so far. Try and keep my videos around the 10-minute section, just to keep your interest. I did think I might do one single video that goes all the way around the M25, but it might take an hour or two. I've got the gigabytes on the camera, so it could be done. Right, entering a 40 zone. Would that be of interest? Would you like to see a complete circuit of the M25? That would be a challenge, wouldn't it? And now we're coming into New Romney, so another little built-up area. It's one of the few towns where the A259 goes all the way through the main high street. I do like towns that have high streets. It's kind of a throwback to days of yore. You know, when I was growing up and Mum and Dad would take us shopping on a Saturday and you go to the local butchers and the greengrocers. Just don't have that anymore. I think the shops still exist, but everyone goes to the supermarkets, don't they? Traffic slowing, red lights. Let's stop. Getting a little more drizzly now, but that's a great thing for driving, you know, because we need to get out when we're in our car regardless of the weather, unless it's like you're snowbound. So driving in the rain isn't particularly hazardous, but it keeps you more aware. Right, traffic on both sides of the road, potential for people getting in and out of their cars. Car is indicating left. Oh, he wants to park, so I'll give him some room. There's a nice bit of double parallel parking for you. I don't have to do it when someone else is doing it in front of me, right? I'll wait till he's straightened up. I can get past him now. See how he did that? Levelled himself with the car, swung in, and easy peasy, although he did hit the curb. Pedestrian in the road. Another pedestrian in the road. Come on, go for it. And that was the high street of New Romney. Amazing. I think we'll pull up into the car park and conclude the video. Not too many hazards there, right? Car's far enough away that I can slide in. Into the car park. Let's stop here in front of the house. There you go, little drive from Dymchurch to New Romney. Thanks for watching, bearing with. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. You can join the Drive with Care tribe and come along on my little driving adventures. See you in another video. Drive with care.